Hey everyone! Welcome back to Passive Income Journey 777. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income and exploring 5 proven strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get started. What is passive income? First, let's talk about what passive income actually is. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on your part. It's all about creating multiple streams of income that work for you, even when you're not actively working. Sounds great, right? Let's dive into 6 strategies that can help you build passive income. Dividend investing. Strategy number 1 is dividend investing. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. By investing in these stocks, you can earn a steady stream of income without having to sell your shares. To get started, research companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. Real estate investing. The second strategy is real estate investing. This can include rental properties, commercial real estate, or even real estate investment trusts. By investing in real estate, you can generate income through rent or capital appreciation. Just remember, real estate investing requires some upfront capital and ongoing management, so make sure you're prepared for the commitment. Create an online course. Our third strategy is creating an online course. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular area, consider creating a course to teach others. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell your course, and once it's live, you can earn passive income from course sales. Write an ebook. Strategy number 4 is writing an ebook. If you have a story to tell or valuable information to share, consider writing an ebook and self-publishing it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once your book is published, you can earn royalties from sales, creating a passive income stream. Affiliate marketing. Last but not least, our 5th strategy is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? At its core, affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which an affiliate promotes a product or service and earns a commission for each successful sale or referral. The affiliate's job is to drive traffic to the business's website, and if a purchase is made, the affiliate earns a percentage of the sale. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing typically involves 3 parties: the business selling the product or service, the affiliate promoting the product, and the customer who purchases the product. The affiliate uses a unique tracking link or code to promote the business's products or services, and when a customer clicks on the link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. Benefits of affiliate marketing. One of the biggest benefits of affiliate marketing is that it's a low-risk, high-reward form of marketing for businesses. They only pay commissions to affiliates when a sale is made, so there's no upfront cost or investment required.